Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you A to Z that how you can do any kind of documents or any kind of selfies verification inside any website, inside any application. And there are some securities which connected with application like OnFido, SamSab, OZ Forensics, personal verification, and Verif. Also, there are some more, but these are the top verification. You can also call it website or securities systems. You understand? So in this video I'm going to teach you from A to Z step by step. If you watch the video very carefully, then you will understand. Okay, this right here I open the blue stack. Okay, and this right here I'm going to open the OBS. First of all, I'm just teaching you something simple. Okay, very simple. Just watch the video very carefully so you will understand. Okay, for example, let's suppose let me remove this one. Okay, when I remove this I have to click here on add button, and then after that I'm going to click here on add, and I'm going to add any image or anything right here. Okay, so I'm going to select just anything from my gallery. Let's suppose select this one picture. Okay, or let's change anyone. Okay, you have to watch the video very carefully, then you will understand. For example, this is the identity, and now after that click on start virtual camera. Now there is a problem. What is the problem? For example, OBS Studio is a free software which is available on internet. You understand? For example, if you come here inside the blue stack, and if you want to spoof the camera, you understand? If I click here on camera, if you want to spoof the camera, you understand? So you will be unable to spoof the camera. You can also spoof the camera, but they will detect you. Okay, so now how you can fix the problems, just watch the video very carefully, you will understand. For any, you will be able to do any kind of verification inside any emulator. If you do these steps, you will understand easily. Okay, you can see now it's spoofed, but the quality is not good. Okay, now for some free websites or web detector, you understand, for those websites the camera will work properly, you understand. But a website or securities like, for example, OnFido, like SamSab, or like these websites will easily detect your OBS. Okay, they will also detect the camera, they will also detect the OBS. You can see even they will pass your detection right here. You will see the pass option now. Just wait. So the thing is, the important thing which I want to explain here, you understand, the important thing is there are two problems. The one problem is the quality from the OBS. Now it's a free webcam detector. For example, if you want to submit a documents or a picture inside a Revolve or any other application, you understand. So whenever you submit them the documents, they will reduce the quality because of OBS. So the problem is also the detection from the OBS. Okay, the first detection is emulator detection. Okay, for example, if you open any application like Revolve, like Kshape, or like any application, and then if you want to do a KYC from your OBS, so they will not accept a documents or a face or a selfie or anything from OBS because of the detection and because of the quality. So these are the two problems. Okay, so in this video what I'm explaining is the first step that you can do a verification with this method on some website. For some application it's working, not for all, you understand. If you need proper method, even I also have for real Android devices, even I have a method where you can spoof the camera from or Android into your PC, or also you can submit a documents here and you can put the camera, you can use the camera inside your phone. Okay, so there is a lot of method. Also there is a lot of method which is explained well on my YouTube channel. You can visit my proper videos. This video is only for education purposes. I am not responsible for any illegal use, you understand. If you need anything, first of all watch my videos, watch my skills, then after that you can contact me. Also, there is a lot of people on Telegram with fake accounts taking people money run away, so please be safe. Also, you can use escrow service or middleman, but he must be trusted. He must have a public channels or his identity, you understand? So both party, the buyer and the seller, will be safe both. So this right here, for example, now it's working pretty good, but for example, let me show you the proof. Okay, let me show you, just wait for a second, I will show you the proof right now. Let's suppose open OZ forensics. Okay, I will show you the proof that this will not work because of two reasons which I explained. The first problem is the detection and the second problem is the quality, you understand, the image quality. So let's see. Okay, for example, click here on try now. You can just use your check your tools with this website. It's a very, let me remove this picture. Okay, now, and now I'm going to use the image of a human, so you will understand now. Okay, just wait for a second, I will allow the permission, but before I have to select the image. Right here I select the image. Okay, it's good. Now after that, click on allow, and you can see, now you will understand. Okay, just wait. Here you can see, you can move the picture. Your picture must be inside in the center. Okay, this is how you can just move the picture. Now you can see they pick the picture. Wait a second, it's not in center. Just let me manage the picture a little bit more, please. Wait a second, where is the picture? I think it's actually because of my internet issue, you understand. The internet is very slow, and because of that I'm facing this problem. Okay, you first of all you have to submit the face inside the circle. Okay, when you submit the face inside the circle, after that you will be able to use it. Okay, for example, let me cross this or refresh the website. Refresh it. Okay, I'm just showing you the proof, you understand. I already explained well to you. You need two kind of bypass. The first bypass is a shellcode bypass, shellcode txt bypass, and the second bypass is emulator detection, you understand. The emulator detection is using for to bypass the detection the package's name, to bypass the package name of any emulator, like for example BlueStack or Revolvet or like OBS or any website. Okay, the second bypass is using for to increase your quality, your picture quality, your OBS quality. You don't need to increase the OBS quality. We need a bypass to get original quality inside the emulator, you understand. So the first thing, they will not detect our package. The second thing, they will take original quality, so they will unable to give us a take detected, you understand. You can also read it right very slow, and because of that I'm facing a problem. I don't know why. Okay, so you can also check it will not work for you. You need these two bypass. If you need any kind of bypass, you can contact me. Even if you need emulator detection bypass for any specific application, I can also help you out. Just contact me. Okay, so see you next video. Take care. See you next video. Okay, and take care. If there is any kind of help, you can contact me. Allah Hafiz.